Hello everybody, welcome back to the DJWW Auto Diagnostics YouTube channel. Today we are back working on my BMW 335i 2007. The short version is we've got a broken exhaust mounting bracket. I unfortunately broke this during the recent wheel bearing replacement, which is all in a previous video, link below. At the moment I've had a look at it. It looks like it should be quite easy just to weld the bracket back together. We're going to crack on and have a look at that now, so let's go underneath the car and have a look what we're dealing with. Okay, so this is the bracket that we're dealing with here. This is the broken fending article. It's actually managed to snap it in two places, here and here. Now, I've had a look at the possibilities of what we can do to effect a repair on this, and I think the best thing to do is to just butt the two ends up together and weld them with my MIG welder. So I've already taken off the A-frame here, which was just slung underneath because that was right in the way and will make it nigh on impossible to weld. So what we're going to do, we're going to crack on. I've also the other thing I've done as well, I've also cleaned everything up a bit with the wire brush to give us a fair chance of getting a decent weld. And the next thing I'm going to do is get the welder out and see if we can butt weld these two pieces together. It's all very thick steel, so I'm not anticipating too many problems. Let's get the welder out, and then we can all have a good laugh at the standard of my welding. Okay, so job one before any welding job, of course, is to disconnect the negative battery terminal. So I'm just going to see if we can just do that now. Just jam that down the side where it can't do any harm, so everything's nice and safe. Right, let's get the welder ready. Always remember, of course, as well with these, when you're pulling the battery negative terminal off, give it a very deliberate tug. Don't dither going back and forth with it or anything like that, because obviously the FRM modules, as we all know, are very sensitive on these cars and can very easily be damaged. Okay, let's get the welder. Okay, let's see how this goes, shall we? Need some gloves for a start. Now, every YouTuber says this. I'm not, for anybody asks, an expert at welding. However, here goes nothing. Well, children, my estimation is it's not too bad. It's not great, but it's not terrible either. That, chaps and chapettes, isn't at all terrible. It's all together a little bit more, right up in the... Certainly going to pass an MOT, isn't it? So let's get it cleaned up and call it good. Okay, so let's examine the quality of my welding. It doesn't look too bad. It was certainly not going to win any awards, but you know what? It'll bloody pass the MOT, etc. Well, you can see we've got pretty decent penetration on the welds by the looks of things, so you know, it's up there. It's a 16-year-old car at the end of the day, so you know, that's not going anywhere. It's not, and it's not my plan or intention to have this exhaust down at any point, so I don't imagine there'll be a problem. However, I will be buying the correct clamp exhaust rubber pliers, etc., to get these things off properly in future, rather than brute forcing it with the aid of a pry bar. So yeah, I think, but going forward, you know, it's a pass. Yes. I'd give it, I don't know, let's give it a 6 out of 10, because it's functional. It's not great. It's my no doubt various people. I'm quite happy for people to advise me what I need to do on the welding front, to whether it's my technique, whether it's the welder itself. Over here, which is a Machine Mart MIG 151EN Turbo. So yeah, feel free, anybody, to provide some input in the comment section as to what we can do better, and don't say give the job to somebody else, because that's never really been my style. I'm always here to try and make things better myself. Right, let's get this rebuilt and get it shipped. Okay, job one. So the battery can go back on. Let's do this. Like I said before, just try and I didn't manage to do it, and I don't know if you saw it arc then, but it did. Hopefully the FRM module will be okay. If it has damaged it, then I've got the tools to repair it. Right, let me put it down for a second, because I'm twisting around her. There we go. Well, I guess job one then is to now we've done that, let's crack on with the next job and get the A-frame put back up. Okay, boys and girls, so we're all done. This is another one in the bag. I think that's what they call a successful repair. Like I say, my welding technique is very much open to scrutiny and open to improvement. So if anybody has any suggestions of what I need to do, what equipment I need, etc., etc., tips, advice, help, you know, make it in the comment section. And you know, I read all the comments, and I do take everybody's points, everybody's opinions on board, etc., etc. So you know, feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe, etc. And of course, if you require any services for your own vehicle, or diagnostic software, cables, etc., to help you out of a tricky situation, then have a look at my website, www.djwwautodiagnostics.co.uk, and I'm sure you'll be able to find something there to help you out. If you can't find what you're looking for, email me and or contact me, and I'll see what I can do to help. In the meantime, everybody, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.